shot to get going for Dwayne Smith. That is one of his better shots.
One of his better shots, I tell you what, it could almost be one of the shots of the tournament. That was just lovely to watch. If you want to see a perfect off drive, just have a look at that. Yeah, take a photo. We're going to take lots of photos. Held the shot beautifully. And well hurdled too by Shazil at the non-striker's end.
Smith is one of the most destructive players around. There you go, straight over mid-on for another 4.
Just look at the strength in Dwayne Smith's wrists here. It was a full delivery, it was on the pads. He's picked it up so beautifully well. Just a little off-cutter there, but he says no problems at all. Kept the blade open, but just at that last minute, just that little flick, got it up and over the infield.
Not sure how much the cutters will grip on the surface, but the length certainly has to be better for it to have some effect. That could run away for 4 as well. This has been a good start to the innings for Islamabad. 14 without loss. He's out. Hassan Ali has his man. The umpire agrees, and he's a good young bowler, this fella. Emerging player in this team, and he showed improvement every time I've seen him. And he gets a very important wicket. Shazil Khan goes for 1, 14 for 1.
Because you're on fire, Gav.
3, 2, 1. Clear back. Cue comes.
Here batsman is veteran Brad Haddon. And after Junaid Khan some tidy first over, it's been a good comeback from Hassan Ali. That might fly away for 4. A little bit of a waist swing, but there was width on it and capitalised upon from Haddon.
Well, completely different role here for Brad Haddon. He's usually in around that sort of 5-6 mark for the Sydney Sixers in the Big Bash. He finds himself now coming in at 3 with an opportunity to build a big innings. And that's no surprise, though. Brad Haddon coming after it very first ball.
Cleared mid-off easily. Good ball striking here inside this power play from Islamabad United.
Well, anything full, Brad Haddon has gone after right from ball 1.
Jordan. And there he goes. He's disappeared over cover. Free swing of the blade, and it's away for 4 more. Ramba.
Yeah, it's a typical Haddon strike. He makes a bit of room and then just extends his arms, and it's such a true pitch that you can do this regularly. Sweetly timed.
Likes to say leg side, just opening up that offside. He's gone to that shot quite a few times.
Afridi, and Haddon with some delightful touch. Brings up another boundary here for Islamabad.
Yeah, he's quite capable of doing that. Very talented. We're in good position really to play that Shot with soft hands, just gliding the ball into the gap. Afridi providing him with extra bit of pace.
Too often get the leg by extra, and this one's been pumped down, massive flat skimmer to finish.
That far away from the reach of the ball. Oh, what a shot that is! Fantastically improvised. He was in position earlier. Well, he gets a nod of approval even from Darren Sammy, because he
struck it to every part of the ground. And now some rain in Dubai, but I'll tell you what, it is still going. Brad Haddin, Dwayne Smith still think they're in the race here, as do Shane Watson and Sam Billings on screen there, two very powerful hitters of the ball. And with ball deliveries like this, all the United fans will be thinking they're in with a really good show.
Running.
He's caught hold of this. That's a flat 6. Just a bit too short this time. Good sound of the bat from Brad Haddin. It brings up his half-century. Making his presence felt at the top. Here's Junaid Khan. Swing of the bat. Is it going to find mid-off? It does. Now, has that gone for 6? Has that gone straight from the hands? Haris Sohail, oh, he's given 4 straight away. I thought the umpire might want to look at that, because if this has gone straight to the fielder's hands, and has he parried this into the boundary cushions? Ooh, it was close. It was close.
He went very casually at it, as though he was almost overconfident that he was going to hold on and wrap up and be at the end of some good work from Junaid Khan.
Perhaps he should have left it to the... Oh, he's threaded that over 2 men backward of square. A very delicate touch from Brad Haddin. Perhaps that's not the length that you've got a ball. Junaid Khan's got to get that ball further up towards the laces. Look at that, he's got so much time to feather this over those men backward of point.
This is called batting awareness, knowing your field, playing accordingly, not trying to overhit things. That's a man who's in complete control of his game at the moment. That's a man who's making the opposition just a little bit worried as well.
And how good is this? Oh, that's a marvellous piece of fielding. As Haris Sohail, he's made amends, I'm sure he has. He's stopped a 6. Well, that was a fantastic effort. Have a look at this. Now, they're going to have another look at this, but Brad Haddin is so good with this in-to-out shot that he's got.
This can be that Nestle thing.
Well, Haris Sohail, he's in the hot spot. Now, I think as he had ball in hand, his foot was touching the rope. Foot touching the rope. Well... So the ball is still in hand at the moment. We're just looking at his left foot.
I think he might have just put his toes just onto that boundary cushion. Very difficult. You see so many acrobatic movements in the outfield these days in 2020 cricket, but now is this going to count as 6? He's got the ball in his hand here, has his foot touched that boundary cushion. I don't think that's conclusive either way. It's just not conclusive. You can't see that cushion moving. It's not even being put back straight correctly from the last time he clattered it. Oh, the decision is for 6, and it's the 100th partnership that has come up. He's hit that, yes he has. Umpire's finger goes up. And Danger Man is going back to the dugout. Brad Hadding, what a good innings that was. It was a slower ball from Chris Jordan that accounted for the Australian. Good innings from Brad Hadding. Simply 3 from 39 is 118 for 2. New man for Islamabad is Shane Watson, Australian for Australia. 55 needed from 29 balls. Reduced target, reduced number of deliveries. This is the end of Hadding.
Yeah, just made him reach for it. He struck the ball through and over the offside so adeptly in that innings, and a wonderful innings it was, and Jordan just had him reaching for one. Good bowling. The breakthrough they desperately needed. He's something of a specialist at the end of the innings.
Can't stray down there. That's a bad ball. You just can't go down there. Ooh, that's worth a shout. Back leg. And it's gone for four leg byes. Sammy, the skipper's got to do a job here for his team. Dwayne Smith manages to get 4 leg byes.
It may have been the drifting past leg stump in the mind of the umpire, but it doesn't matter how they come for Smith. He needs to up the...
That might still go for 4. It's come off for Shane Watson's bat, but it was going so hard it would have gone for 4 straight anyway. But it's ricocheted off the non-striker's bat.
One of the quirky rules of cricket, isn't it? As you can see here, struck firmly. Shane Watson trying to get out of the way of it. It's flicked his bat. A double hit.
I think Chris Jordan would have had that covered down the ground, actually. It was very quick.
That's well bowled. Oh, he's struggling here if he hits. Oh, he had to hit.
Well, it's all happening out in the middle here at the moment, and those 2 deliveries almost says to you, things may just be sweeping back to United's favour. It was in all sorts. 3 stumps to aim at.
In fact, he could have taken a couple more steps towards the stumps and just underarmed it.
Oh, this will go for 4. Smith read it, knew he was going leg side. A very eventful over finishes.
Good enough? Yes, finds the gap. Wider of the fielder at long off. 54. Smith muscled his way through. Strike rate of 118, but it's been a good innings in the context of the run chase. Yeah, in the slot, and that's gone. Up in the top tier. And it's over the waistline, is it? And it's gone for 6.
Oh, added an extra as well. Going to get another delivery. Junaid Khan. Zick Slicker Oil 150 up here. Yeah, above the waist. He's tried to get the Yorker and missed it by miles. And then Watson says, I'll hit you for miles. Air miles.
I mean, he's like a baseball striker, and this was pretty much a baseball ball that he got. 18 now from 11. 16 sixes in this game. That's a full toss, gone down the ground. That's drilled for another 6. It's almost as good as over.
A couple of full tosses from Junaid, and every ball is an event, and this ball has changed it all. Free hit, it's gone for 12, and suddenly United in the driving seat. A low full toss. Watson over long on, easily clearing the rope. United spelling victory.
Torzid was loving it there with the great Wasim Akram. Coach's bench, jubilant.
Watson, will he go again? Oh yes, he does. Finds the fence on the bounce. On the rampage, he wants to finish it in this over. 18 runs conceded by Junaid Khan and 51 without a wicket now against his name in 3.3. Yeah, too short, and it was an ideal delivery to be punished by. Miscue should be taken. Long on comes into play. Jordan takes the catch. End of Smith, but he's done his job. 55 from 49. Got the toe end of his bat. Oh, that'll do very nicely for the United. That's a smack. Billings finishes off with a blistering pull shot, and that's a wonderful run chase and a very good